Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Pizza Calabrese on the Karma 32 from WPPO. So the first thing that we want to do is light up this wood-fired pizza oven, and here's how you do that. Start by stacking a couple of small sticks of pecan wood on top of each other. Then insert a fire starter, light it on fire. When you have a good fire going, you want to keep feeding the pizza oven until the stone has a temperature of 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Now when the pizza oven is hot, it's time to start putting together the Calabrese pizza, and here's how we're going to do that. Start by flouring your cutting board. Then you want to gently shape your pizza dough into 12-inch thin Neapolitan-style pizzas. When they have a good shape, add a little bit of semolina flour to the peel and transfer the pizza to the peel. Start building the pizza by adding a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce. Then you want to sprinkle the pizza with some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. And we're going to add some thinly sliced red onion. We're going to dust it lightly with some red pepper flakes. Next, we're going to add thinly sliced Calabrese salami, which has a nice heat and great flavor. Then it's time to carefully place the pizza in the pizza oven. Now you want to bake it for 2 to 3 minutes. Halfway through, you want to rotate the pizza, and when it's ready, remove it from the pizza oven. And then this amazing Calabrese pizza is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Calabrese pizza on the Karma 32 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Look at that crust, perfect. So here we go. Perfect flavor. The Calabrese got a little bit of a spice kick to it that sort of complements the cheese. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.